The crew opened the box and found it filled with strangely shaped seashells and journals filled with the stories of the captain that had collected them. Captain Maple recalled the feeling of the open ocean, the wind in the sails, fwah! Guys, be the wind, fwah! And the movement of the sea, whoa, whoa! Come on, move with the waves, whoa! And the sound of the waves against the ship, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Captain Maple traded with Nadia Narwhal for her old ship back. Adventure awaited her new crew and her old crew, with room for them to all sail together. Arr! The